All right, let's get started taking the products out of the boxes. First, we'll start with the main unit or the control unit. I'll remove other components as the cow gas, the power, the hose, and have these ready to go later. Inside the boxes, you will find the control unit, one or more docking modules, power supply, gas flow regulators, gas inlet tubing, and gas connectors or termination blocks. Remember, each module should include its own accessory pack. You will also need a 2.5mm hex or Allen wrench for assembly and a FAT32 formatted USB thumb drive to update the firmware if needed. Also have handy the calibration gas cylinder needed. It's important to remember that only trained personnel should maintain the products.